Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're taking a closer look at a legend reborn, the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT. This isn't your grandpa's muscle car. Dodge has taken the iconic Charger and injected it with a heavy dose of modern performance and technology. So buckle up, gearheads and everyday drivers alike, because we're about to dissect this electrified beast. Let's start under the hood. The Daytona SRT boasts a first for Dodge, a hybrid powertrain. That's right, a muscle car with an electric twist. Pairs a powerful Hemi V8 engine with an electric motor, giving you a combined output of a staggering 900 horsepower. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 2.5 seconds. But hold on, there's more to this story than just raw power. The electric motor also translates to instant torque, giving you that exhilarating shove you crave from a muscle car. Plus, in electric-only mode, you can cruise around silently, surprising everyone, except maybe pedestrians. Dodge hasn't forgotten about handling either. The Daytona SRT features an all-wheel drive system that keeps you planted on the road, even during aggressive cornering. Brembo brakes haul this beast to a stop with confidence, ensuring you stay in control of all that power. Now, let's talk looks. The Daytona SRT takes inspiration from the classic 1968 Charger Daytona, with its bold lines and aerodynamic design. The wide-body kit gives it a menacing stance, while the newfangled LED lighting adds a modern touch. But the real showstopper is the optional banshee hood, with a functional air intake that feeds the hungry engine. But the Daytona SRT isn't just about aesthetics. It's also packed with the latest technology. The interior features a driver-focused cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, keeping you connected on the go. And for those who love a good soundtrack, the available Harman Kardon sound system will have you feeling like you're front row at a concert. Now the question you might be asking, why choose the Daytona SRT over other muscle car? It's simple. This car offers a unique blend of exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and classic muscle car charm. It's a future-proof powerhouse that pays homage to its heritage. It's not just a car, it's a statement. So there you have it, folks. The Dodge Charger Daytona SRT, a muscle car that defies expectations. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just looking for a thrilling driving experience, the Daytona SRT is definitely worth a closer look. If you have any questions about this electrified muscle machine, leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching.